P. Echo's Boy D by Echo van Spieveld and Libero H. P. Echo's Boy D has proven origins and represents a solid performance family. He was bred out of the mare Tequili, who has already foaled several 130 and 135 show jumpers. Grand Dam Mon Chéri is also on the dam side of the Grand Prix show jumper Chippendale's Boy DZ of Slow and Coles. The third dam, Sakili, is known as the dam of the Grand Prix horses Zargo of Emil Hendricks and Bokili of Eugene Ongo. Combined with this valuable dam line is the Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Echo van Spieveld. He has developed into an outstanding progenitor as sire of the successful Cassander van Rosaka, Caprice, Coco van Eigenlo and Emmanuel R.